Hello, this is Dee with DJ Designs, and today I'm going to show you highlights from a Juneteenth white party where I was a vendor selling my earrings. Today, Miss Deborah Crawford from Dallas, Texas. She's all ready for the white party. And my setup is my new setup with my earrings all displayed. All right, I got a good salesperson today. And she's modeling the cuckoo nut beads. And where's your matching bracelet? And this is the finished setup, showing my earrings on display. And this is a carousel that I also have that has the denim collection. I do recycle denim earrings. And I was interviewed on the Lee Pitts live show. He did sponsor this event, and I was interviewed, which is going to be televised. And these are some of the food cuisine that they served at the event, traditional Southern cuisine. The food was delicious. It was excellent. They had everything from ribs, macaroni, and cheese, cabbage, chicken, you name it.
Left foot, let's go. Freeze! Hold up! Everybody clap your hands. See those fellas?
And these are some of the festivities. They had a contest of the best dressed white outfit.
All right. Right here with the shears and the whatever.
This will conclude the highlights of the Juneteenth White Party vendor show. It was a very successful show. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. And thank you for watching.